Hello, Jane Cleland here. Question was asked, in a combination travel mystery, how much time should be spent on the travel? And I'm going to broaden it to say that books set anywhere could be called travel, right? Because you're either traveling in your imagination with fantasy, or you're traveling to an actual place that your readers may well not know. And so therefore, it would be perhaps considered travel. If you're talking about international locations or fantastical locations, I am going to make a few suggestions. Number one, make sure the location is relevant. Don't just go into travel log descriptions. You have to show the people interacting with the place with incidents that are relevant. You also want to show people reflecting on how they feel about it. You can only get good coffee in Italy, that kind of thing. Now I know how that person feels about being in Italy and that she's been here before. The next point I want to make about travel elements in writing is less is more. You want to use a word description, a telling detail to paint the picture, but don't go much more than that. A word or two is plenty. A sentence or two is plenty. Don't get bogged down. Keep the story moving. It's all about the story. Escalate conflict. Stick with the story. I'm sure you can do it. Good luck.